Today you're going to unbox this animal ring.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Animal ring we just bought from Florida, KLCC, right here. We bought a few. Really nice. I'm just gonna pick it out a little bit. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me. No rush. Right? Because the one that I bought is actually a deer and a buffalo, I guess.
This is nice, bro. I think the buffalo is nice.
Right?
Yeah,
right.
it
You
is
don't
great.
have a buffalo, right?
No, I don't have.
This is the most like we see. The
Yeah,
most,
this
we
is
saw
cool.
the most. Yo, this is actually sick and beautiful.
Put it in. Ooh,
It's good.
dude.
Crazy. This shit is crazy. Sorry, this thing is crazy. Just censor the word, man. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is crazy.
Okay.
But it fits like just in my small finger because it's kind of small. But I feel like it is adjustable at some point, right? But you know, let me see how they adjust it. Let me see how to open it up right now. Okay, I know how to open it up. It's somehow flexible, but it's dangerous if you wear it like in a big finger. Or good, a little bit, you know, crazy right now. Which I'm gonna try to fit in. No, this
Nice,
is
man.
crazy, right?
Show.
Insane, right? This is insane, right? This is actually beautiful. The deer ring and the buffalo ring. Buffalo ring because I always represent cow or ox or bull. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
It's cool, man.
Oh.